morning. This is Sonali Vishwakarma and you are watching United News. Let's take a look at today's news headlines. AQI finally in green in Delhi. The city's pollution levels have now come under the poor category. Rishabh Pant creates history, becomes the most expensive player sold in the IPL auction 2025, breaking Cummins and Stark's previous record. External Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar lands in Rome, Italy to attend G7 meet on a 3-day visit. Elon Musk applauds Indian electoral system after vote counting for 2 state assembly elections and by-elections concluded in a single day. The winter session of Parliament begins today, November 25, 2024 and continues till December 20. It includes Waqf Bill to banking laws and other 16 legislations on government agenda. Now, news in detail. The winter session of Parliament is scheduled to begin on November 25, 2024 and continue till December 20. The government has listed 15 bills including one to amend the Waqf law and 5 new ones for the winter session of Parliament. Lok Sabha members attending the winter session of Parliament beginning Monday will have the option of marking their attendance using a digital pen on an electronic tab. The electronic tabs will be kept at 4 counters in the lobby of the Lok Sabha chamber as part of Speaker Om Birla's initiative to make Parliament paperless. The Lok Sabha Secretariat said that physical attendance registers will continue to be kept at the counters. However, members are advised to use the tab as a preferred choice and help make Parliament paperless. Officials said that the members would have to first select their names from the drop-down menu on the tab, affix their signatures with the help of the digital pen, and press the submit button to register their attendance. The new draft law planned by the government, the Merchant Shipping Bill, also seeks to ensure compliance with India's obligation under maritime treaties to which New Delhi is a party. Besides, the Coastal Shipping Bill and the Indian Ports Bill have also been listed for introduction and eventual passage. As many as 8 bills, including the Waqf Amendment Bill and the Mussalman Waqf Repeal Bill, are pending in Lok Sabha. 2 others are with Rajya Sabha. Apart from this, a special celebration to mark the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution will be held in the Central Hall of the Samvidhan Sadan on November 26, observed as Constitution Day. This is it for today. For more such updates, keep watching United News.